Once upon a time, in the midst of the California gold rush, there lived a hardware merchant named Mr. Ogden. Now, Mr. Ogden was no ordinary merchant. He possessed a keen eye for opportunity and a knack for spotting lucrative ventures. As fortune would have it, Mr. Ogden found himself in a unique position during the gold rush. With hordes of prospectors flocking to the west in search of their fortunes, he saw a golden opportunity of his own, quite literally. You see, Mr. Ogden realized that these ambitious fortune seekers would need tools, specifically shovels, to aid them in their quest for gold. Without wasting a moment, he sent word back east and procured as many shovels as he could lay his hands on. Armed with his newfound inventory, Mr. Ogden set up shop and wasted no time in advertising his wares to the eager prospectors. And lo and behold, they flocked to him in droves, willing to pay fancy prices for the essential tools of their trade. But here's the thing. Mr. Ogden's success wasn't just a stroke of luck. It was a testament to his astute business acumen. While selling shovels may seem like a simple task, Mr. Ogden understood the importance of knowing how to turn a profit. You see, in today's competitive business landscape, success isn't just about having the right merchandise. It's about knowing how to sell that merchandise at a profit. Unfortunately, many aspiring entrepreneurs fail to grasp this fundamental principle and find themselves falling short of their goals. However, Mr. Ogden's story offers valuable lessons for anyone looking to embark on their own entrepreneurial journey. First and foremost, knowledge is key. Before diving headfirst into a business venture, it's essential to educate oneself about the industry and the intricacies of running a successful operation. Thankfully, in today's digital age, information is more accessible than ever before. Books, trade periodicals, and government publications offer a wealth of knowledge waiting to be tapped into. But reading alone won't guarantee success. As Mr. Ogden understood, the best ideas are worthless until put into action. So aspiring entrepreneurs must not only absorb information, but also take decisive steps to implement their plans and bring their visions to life. In the end, Mr. Ogden's story serves as a reminder that success in business requires more than just luck. It requires vision, determination, and the willingness to put in the hard work necessary to turn dreams into reality. And who knows, with the right combination of knowledge and action, you too might just strike gold. Stay tuned at GMKH Get More Know-How.